How to customize app lock settings on your iPhone. If you want to lock apps with Face ID and manage your app lock settings, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, locate the app you want to lock on your home screen or in the app library. Next, press and hold the app icon until the Quick Actions menu appears. Now, tap Require Face ID. Tap Require Face ID again to confirm, then authenticate with Face ID when prompted. From now on, you'll need to use Face ID each time you open that app. If you ever want to remove the lock, press and hold the app icon again, tap Don't Require Face ID, and authenticate with Face ID to confirm the change. Keep in mind that App Lock is only available for supported apps and requires Face ID to be set up on your iPhone. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.